Homeownership in Hilliard comes with pride, comfort, and the desire to protect your investment from the unpredictable Florida weather. While most homeowners think of roofs and gutters when it comes to water protection, windows play a critical role in safeguarding your home from moisture damage. Over time, old or poorly installed windows can allow rainwater to seep in, leading to mold growth, warped frames, and even structural issues. That's why window replacement isn't just about improving aesthetics or energy efficiency. It's also about preventing costly water damage and maintaining your home's long-term health. Let's explore how modern windows protect your home from moisture, the signs your current windows may be failing, and why timely replacement is one of the smartest investments you can make as a Hilliard homeowner. How water damage starts around windows. In Hilliard's warm, humid climate, homes experience frequent rain and occasional severe storms. When your windows aren't sealed or functioning properly, even a small gap can let water in. Here's how it happens. Broken seals or cracked caulking allow water to seep into the window frame. Warped or rotted wood frames absorb moisture, leading to structural weakening. Condensation buildup inside window panes can cause hidden mold growth. Improper drainage near the window sill can allow water to pool and leak into the walls. What starts as minor staining or peeling paint around your windows can quickly turn into mold infestations, damaged drywall, and expensive repairs. Modern windows are designed to resist moisture. Today's replacement windows are engineered with advanced materials and construction techniques to withstand Florida's moisture-rich environment. Some of the key features include: seamless weather stripping, prevents rain and wind from penetrating window joints. Multi-layer seals. Double and triple pane glass creates a tight barrier against condensation. Moisture-resistant frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite materials won't warp, rot, or absorb water like traditional wood. Improved drainage channels. These systems direct water away from your home, preventing buildup around sills and frames. When properly installed, modern windows help create a watertight seal that keeps your home dry and protected, even during Hilliard's heaviest rainstorms. Warning signs: your windows may be letting in moisture. Not all water damage is immediately visible. Often, the problem develops slowly behind walls or beneath window sills. Here are a few warning signs to watch for. Fogging or condensation between glass panes, peeling paint or soft spots on the wall around your windows, warped or swollen window frames, musty odors or visible mold near window corners, drafts or visible gaps in the frame or caulking. If you've noticed one or more of these symptoms, your windows may already be compromised. A professional inspection can determine whether replacement is needed to prevent further damage. The long-term benefits of window replacement. Replacing your windows isn't just about avoiding damage. It's about protecting and improving your home in multiple ways. Prevent mold and mildew. By sealing out moisture, you eliminate one of the main causes of indoor mold growth, improving air quality and health. Lower repair costs. Preventing water intrusion now can save thousands in potential drywall, insulation, and flooring repairs later. Boost energy efficiency. Modern windows keep cool air inside and block heat transfer, reducing your energy bills year-round. Enhance home value. Buyers are drawn to well-maintained homes with updated, weather-resistant windows, a key selling feature in Florida's market. In short, window replacement is an investment that pays off in comfort, safety, and resale value. Why professional installation matters. Even the best windows can fail if they aren't installed correctly. Gaps, misaligned frames, or improper sealing can allow water to infiltrate your walls, negating the benefits of new materials. Working with professional window installers in Hilliard ensures each unit fits perfectly, seals tightly, and complies with local building standards. Professionals also understand how to handle Florida's unique weather conditions and can recommend the best window types for your home's layout and exposure. Final thoughts: in Hilliard's humid climate, window replacement is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's a vital line of defense against water damage. By investing in modern, Professionally installed windows, you protect your home's structure, prevent costly repairs, and ensure lasting comfort for your family. Don't wait until small leaks become major problems. With the right window replacement, you can keep your home safe, dry, and beautiful, no matter what the weather brings.